Hi guys, welcome to Coffee Chalk with Dion. I'm just going to show you today the best way to clean your paste jars. So earlier today I had a live on my VIP page and I wasn't able to clean my paste. So I'm opening them up and this is what they look like right now. The sides have chalk all around them. There's chalk in my lid. You really shouldn't have it that way, just so you can preserve your paste as long as possible. I just cleaned off this one, so I've cleaned off all the interior sides and my lid so it gets a nice good seal. That's how you want your chalk paste when it goes away. The tool I use is our multi-tool, and this tool will allow you to clean off that ledge with this edge of the tool right here, which is perfect for cleaning that edge off. So I'm going to take that edge and just go in there, tap it off. It doesn't want to come off, that's fine. Just go around, tap off as much as I can until that whole edge is clear. And now I'm just going to tap again. Now there is paste on here, but it's not that much, and for the value that I have sitting in front of me, I'm willing to lose this little bit here. So I'm going to take a little towel, just add some water to it. It doesn't have to be distilled to wipe your tools off, but if you're going to put water in your chalk to revive them, as chalk does get dry, you do want to use distilled water only. So I'm just going to grab a baby wipe just to clean the edge of the jar really good. I'm going to stick a little bit inside, just on the edge, just like that, with my nail, and go around the jar to clean off the top of the jar. So I've got that edge, you can see, very clear. And this top edge is smooth, and there's no more chalk on it. So I'm going to take that same baby wipe, and I'm going to get the chalk out of the lid. Dry one, dry it up. If I get any stuck in the lid, I just try to tap it out like the hard part, just so I have a good seal. Because, you know, I want my chalk to last a long time, so I want them to keep their value. So now my lid is completely clean. My chalk jar, it's ready to go away. I'll take my distilled water, add just a little spritz in my chalk to keep it wet on top as well. So if anything gets dry, now that's how I put my paste away. If you have any questions about paste, let me know. Our paste is made of all natural ingredients. It is non-toxic, and we don't recommend eating it though. Don't forget, you can find me at Coffee Chalk with Dion on Facebook, as well as Coffee Chalk on Instagram, and Coffee Chalk with Dion on YouTube, and that's C-A-W-F-E-E. That's to play on my Jersey background, even though I live in North Carolina now. So I just wanted to make sure you knew where to find me, and my Chalk Couture website is www.chalkcouture.com/Dion, D-I-O-N-N-E, Jewel, J-E-W-E-L-L. And that's it. That's my site. I'm like, is there any more to that? Because it gets so long after a while. That's how you'll find me. Hope to see you guys on my next live. Check out my VIP cafe. That's Chalk Couture with Dion VIP cafe. That does require you to request to join, and I have sales, and like today I did a special live just for my VIPs, and it came out gorgeous. So definitely check that out. Talk to you later. Bye.